What's going on? Hey guys, what's going on? Antonio X Carter here, Emancipation Occupation, helping you get freedom from your 9 to 5 jobs. So, what I've been going through lately is Bing ads, how to make money with affiliate marketing, and really all things that I teach you when it comes to affiliate marketing and Bing ads. You can make 6 figures pretty easily with that. You do have to use systems. I recommend using email. But if you don't want to use email, you can just do direct linking to these products or go the landing page route where people go on the landing page, fill out a quiz or something. I have been dabbling into Google ads as well. And so I'm going to be showing you a little bit of what's going on because I was approached by a Google Ads campaign manager. And I'm just going to do a quick little overview of what's going on. You're going to hear the differences between a little bit of Bing ads and Microsoft ads. Nothing super in depth, but this is more so to keep along the journey of what's going on. You also see these photo booths back here. Okay. It's a business in which I'm trying to take to 6 figures. I have another YouTube channel for my business consulting that I am documenting the journey on with that. Google Ads is promoting the photo booth, not online products. That's the huge twist in this. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you my 6 figure Google ads here for my photo booth, and we'll be in touch. What's going on, Antonio X Carter? I'm back. Uh, when it comes to the Google ads, right? The interface is completely different from Bing ads. Bing ads seem rather elementary, old school, and I believe they're probably going to do some updating because they want to keep up with Google ads. Now, if you're on this channel, thank you for sticking with me thus far, but I show you all things making money online with this particular channel. Lately, I've been on paid marketing, right? Max Bounty and ClickBank coupled up with Bing ads. And I've been waiting for this moment to start my Google ads. Well, I finally got the opportunity and I got somebody to hold my hand in order to do so by way of a Google ad rep. They've been doing something new. I had previously spent some money, some pretty decent money on an ad. For whatever reason, I qualified for a personal Google ad rep. All right. This person is going to go through, make my ads for me so that I can create whatever goal it is that I need to make for my business. In this case, it is for my photo booth. Okay, I'm in Kansas City and I have a photo booth business. And if you've kept up with me, one of my goals for 2022 is to make my photo booth business a 6 figure business. Now, this is rather daunting. It's a very aggressive goal, but if I don't set the bar high, I mean, I'm not going to push hard. All right. So these ads are supposed to help me get there. I officially really began to run it in last month. So that's March. And you can follow my YouTube journey on that. The links for that is down below for my other channel with my business consulting business so that you can see, you know, I put my money where my mouth is. You know, I practice what I teach, and it's to show people that you can actually make money with going from offline to online because that's where business is at now. All right, so Bing ads versus Google. First of all, the interface is completely better, right? Or it's more soft. It's not as old school. You're not smacked with dinosaur age looking stuff and graphs. But the functionalities are still practically the same. So if I hit all campaigns, this looks a little bit similar. You can see all of your stuff right now. Keywords is highlighted. I'm going to go over to overview and get this cool little interface. So right now, today, says I have 0 views. Don't know what views are. I guess I guess that is a objective, like when you create your ads. Yeah, because that's for YouTube. So keep in mind, Google Ads, you also have to do Google Ads in order to advertise on YouTube. So I have no views. I am going by impressions and clicks, which is awesome. They even have something pretty cool called an optimization score on the right hand side. So far, I've spent $107. I believe I've spent more than that. Yeah, because it's going to the 11th. And we'll go through 14. Pretty sure this number will definitely change. 64 clicks. How much money have I spent so far? $186. Not bad. And I know this is not bad because of the fact that after the Google rep helped build my campaign, I'm not going to show you all of my keywords and my ads and all that, but on the left-hand side, you can see two different responsive ads and one dynamic ad. I'll tell you about that in a little bit, but um, $186, I think it was, or $189 for ad spend. $186, there it is. I already got a sell. I already have a sell. I have somebody booked for next month. And so I'm technically already in profit with my photo booth business. Now there's written out this bad boy here. And so I'll be making close to about $300 for that particular party. Excuse me, for that particular event. And then I also advertised somewhere else for free, and I booked a $400 event. So for next month, I'm already making $700 with my photo booth business doing things online. Okay. Now, the cool thing about everything that I teach you with Bing ads and Facebook ads and all this stuff, if you get these skills down, you, my friend, are able to advertise your skills to businesses like my business. There's plenty of people looking to book appointments and consulting gigs and all that stuff sells for their business. Okay, you can easily charge $1,000 a month, right? I just told you I was able to do some of these techniques, one paid, one free, and I already have $700 worth of bookings. That's only 2 appointments. Just 2. Imagine if I was able to get 5 to 10, right? That's really going to change the game very quickly. If I'm making $5 to $8,000, $10,000 a month, and you're helping me drive that traffic, of course I'm gonna, excuse me, of course I don't have any problem giving you $1,000 for your work. Okay, you're bringing me business that I do not have to advertise or work towards getting. Now, let's bust into this a little bit more. We have KC Photo Booth Responsive, which is a responsive ad. Responsive being that when it comes to the ads, um, I'll just show you. It's really not a biggie. Um, you're able to change out your headings. And I think you're able to have like 10 different headings. And what will happen is that Google and Bing, for that matter, will swap out all of your headings whenever a user sees it. Okay, so let's say that somebody types in photo booth Kansas City. All right. Depending on the person that types it and how they type it, um, Google will show them one of 10 headlines as being first and second and third and so forth. Okay, it will swap out all of the headlines and figure out what headlines work the best. Okay, I then get a chance to break down the keywords and the headlines to see which headline is working the best. I can delete the other ones. That way it is split testing for me automatically. And the same thing with this one. One is in parentheses events, one is in parentheses with photo booth because they have different types of headlines and different types of keywords. One is more specifically going towards events like wedding, birthdays, graduation, while the other one is just like photo booth party, photo booth rental, photo booth in Kansas City, stuff like that. Okay. Dynamic, that is a type of ad that takes what the person types in the bar, in the search bar. This one's a little bit more interesting. It kind of customizes the search results, and I'm very interested to see how this goes. This has 32 clicks so far, while this has 32 clicks. Wow, okay, doing pretty well. And this one has 0 clicks with 13 impressions. This one's much more specific. However, I'm not really too worried about it because of the fact that um, when running my campaigns, um, I'm only spending $20 a day at the moment. Now, that's a pretty good budget, but what's happening is all of the budget pretty much is going towards the dynamic and the responsive photo booth searches because that's where most of the activity is at right now. And then after all the money is spent that day, after the $20 is spent that day, there's no more to spend on specific searches like KC photo booth in or for weddings or for graduation or whatever the specific word is for that specific event. Okay. The ad spend is just going so quick. People are searching for these other terms and not enough people are searching for the specific terms. Now, I can add more ad spend so that I can have some more money left over in order to go towards the events one, but that's okay. I'm not doing that. With the split testing, I'm letting it sit for about 3 weeks to a month, and I'm, kind of just like Facebook ads when it's learning its pixel. It's getting a seasoned pixel. You need to have, I think, 50 to 100 clicks or something like that. I haven't used Facebook ads in quite some time, even though I spent thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars learning it. I'm trying to master Bing ads and now Google ads at the same time. As far as some of the difference between the two, you have video campaigns. Video campaigns is obviously with YouTube, but Bing, I do believe you can do video ads, and they're called display ads, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I haven't tried that feature yet. Next to your ad within Bing, you're able to have a video next to the ad. It's a very small video. You click on it and stuff. I believe that Google has that feature as well. Again, don't quote me on this because I have not used that feature yet. I have to further research that and make a different video on it. If you're interested in that, let me know in the comments. Give me a hashtag video down below in the comments and I'll make a video for that. And then, everything's practically the same. If you know how to use Bing, then you'll be able to use Google. Now, Google Ads, more people use Google Ads, so that means it's going to generate more traffic. But for that reason, if you've noticed, my cost per click is $2.91. Oh my God. Yeah, yeah. That's pretty high. But when you do the keyword research, you're able to see that the average click is about $2 to $4 when it comes to the keywords with photo booth rentals. Okay. That really varies on your niche, what you're searching for, and the keywords itself if you want to get the CPC down. Also, as I optimize and start eliminating certain keywords and headlines, the CPC should also get cheaper because my targeting will get better. And then I will also introduce retargeting and conversions. And that should be with another video. And that should make my leads a lot cheaper. But you have to put the money down up front first. And that's the thing about paid ads. I cannot preach that enough, guys. You have to have money in order to play ball when it comes to paid advertising. So even if you're able to spend $5 a day to learn what you're doing, do that. But you don't have to spend $20, $50, or $100 per day. But you do have to put money forward. So if you're not getting results, if you're not making money, do not get discouraged because you're getting the data. You're going to be light years ahead of the average marketer out there. Plus, watching my YouTube videos, you'll learn a lot. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for my video. If you like this type of content, if you have any questions or anything, I can make videos on them. Just drop those comments below. Say that you want a particular video made, and I'll check it out, see if I can make it for you guys and get results with it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up right next to it as well. I'm trying to hit. I would love to hit 20,000 subscribers this year, but we'll see how that goes. But nonetheless, I think that's it for this video. This is for my photo booth business. I'm going to be utilizing Google Ads and Bing Ads a lot more for other things outside of just affiliate marketing. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Because my goal is to really help you guys get away from the rat race and the hustle and from all of the gurus telling you guys that you can make $100,000, $200,000 from making Shopify stores in 30 days and all that stuff. And it's just not true, because they've tested something over and over and over and over again and spent lots of money in order to do it. When in actuality, you can just learn one skill set and begin to charge people $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, or even $5,000 for a service. And that's all you really need per month, right? If you made an extra $5,000 per month, how would that change your life? Seriously. You're going on vacations, you're paying off bills, you're getting out of debt, you're buying houses. It's a wrap, okay? But anyway, I'm getting off my soapbox. Stay tuned. Emancipation Occupation, Antonio X. Carter. I hope you guys like this. This is a little bit different than all of my other videos. Again, if you like this type of stuff, let me know in the comments. We'll see you guys later.